This is my sound machine from Magicteam. To turn it on, I press the power button on the bottom left. Each time I press that power button, one light turns on, and that is an hour of play. If there's no lights on, that just means continuous play. There's a negative button to turn the sound down, and a plus button that increases the sound. There's a fast forward and a rewind button that goes between the 20 different sounds on here. Here are those sounds. I love this machine, the variety of sounds included, as well as the fact that I can increase the time or control how long it's going to play and increase and decrease the volume.